In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Binance Margin in our comprehensive Binance Margin trading tutorial for 2025. If you're looking to get into the world of crypto trading with a bit more exposure and risk management, margin trading could be an option worth considering. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk you through the essential steps to start trading on the Binance platform. First, let's begin by opening the Binance website or app. You can easily access it through your web browser or by using the Binance app on your smartphone. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to register and complete any necessary verification processes to ensure that your account is ready for trading. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the interface, as this will be where you conduct your trades. Now that you're on Binance, head over to the trade section, which you can find on the main navigation bar. Once you're there, select margin. This is where all your margin trading activities will take place. Margin trading allows you to borrow funds to increase your buying power. However, it's important to note that while it amplifies potential profits, it also increases potential losses, so proceed with caution. Next comes the exciting part, placing your trades. You have two main options here. Buy, also known as going long, or sell, known as going short. A long position means you expect the price of the asset to rise. Conversely, a short position means you anticipate it will fall, allowing you to profit from a decline in price. Consider your market research, risk tolerance, and strategy before placing a buy or sell order. Once your trade is complete, it is crucial to manage your loan repayments to keep your margin ratio safe. The margin ratio is a key metric that represents the level of risk in your margin account. Failing to repay your loan in due time or allowing your margin ratio to reach dangerous levels can lead to a liquidation of your assets, resulting in a total loss of your investment. So, to maintain a healthy margin ratio, be sure to monitor your trades and make repayments promptly. And that's it, you now have the essential steps to start trading with Binance Margin. Remember, margin trading involves risk, and understanding your risk tolerance, market conditions, and strategy is crucial before jumping in. Take the time to learn and practice, keeping in mind that the crypto market is highly volatile. If you have any questions, feel free to refer back to this video. Good luck and happy trading.